Today, Jean-Luc, just another test from the alt key. You can see it starts an engine. I press again, clears, and then goes to the another subsequent system. Goes to bleed, press again, press again, press again. Let's say if I return to bleed, press again, and restarts again. See it? So this is the part of the test. Let's say I'll start again and bleed. Go to restarts on the last point you left it. The problem might happen that as I press all and then makes a run and tear all of this and there's no way to stop it. So hope you're fine.